how can I improve my English, like phonetics, and how can I talk to native speakers like you? How can I?
Well, um, right now, I can understand you very clearly. Um, just general conversation help. Grammar, definitely help with grammar. Some idioms as well. Knowing some idioms would be good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Some idioms,
listening.
because a lot of people use idioms. Like, for example, if someone doesn't like something, they won't say, "Oh, I don't like that." They'll say, "That's not my cup of tea." That
That's not
means
my cup of tea. Sorry.
that's an idiom.